This is my first time doing an intro. Also, don't mind my voice. I kind of lost it at a party. Just yelling and talking to people while there is loud music. So I think that's why my throat sounds like this. But yeah, I was like, oh, let me just do the intro. But I was like, my voice, and then I'm like, you know what, who cares, because, yeah, I don't know, I always try to put off things when things aren't right, so I just started, I was just like, why not, anyways, my name is Chantell, nice to meet you, so I just wanted to try something different, because my videos that I put up, my artist diaries, I usually just like put all the events uh, in the video and then like kind of just leave it at that. But I wanted to try something different on this video, so I um, just wanted to do an intro, and I was like, why not? In this video, you'll see I started a new commission. My friend, he wanted for his girlfriend a painted skateboard. So you'll see me painting this skateboard. But the funny thing is that all that painting that I did, I ended up not even. I ended up actually scratching all of it off, like sandpapering it off, because I don't know, the paint that I use, it like didn't. I don't know, it just didn't sit well on the wood. I don't know if I didn't sand it good enough. But you'll see it turned out okay. It just wasn't something that I thought looked good. So I decided not to do that. Just because, I don't know, when I make something, I want it to look like really good. Like if I don't think it looks good, then I won't like give it to that person, because they're paying for it, so I don't want to. It doesn't. I don't know. Like for me, like when I buy things, it needs to be like a certain way. Otherwise, I don't buy it. I'm launching a new sticker. I bought it quite a while ago, but only now I'm like launching it. But it says "Keep Dreaming," and it's in like this like holographic. Looks like. When I put like a little like teaser in there, because I didn't full on launch it yet, because I didn't put on my Instagram or whatever. And then you'll see in one of my clips, I made a little reel. It's kind of cute actually. So I have this sticker, the circle sticker, the one with the cloud on it. This one. So that one, my friend David, he said he wanted, how much did he want? He wanted 2 circle stickers, and so I made the little packaging and stuff like that. I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool, so it was just like a bunch of clips of like me doing the whole like all the packaging that I made, because it takes so much time, and I just thought it was like really cool to show people how it actually like all the work that goes through it, and I put it the background music is uh, uh what is it? Spirited Away, I believe. No, Howl's Moving Castle. I personally have not watched it yet. Um, but hopefully I will because they're putting their really or they're showing it in theaters. I think next month, which I'm excited for. But yeah, so I put the background music with that. It's not gonna show in the video because I'm gonna get copyrighted or whatever. Um, oh, I I've been watching a lot of actually K dramas lately, and in one clip I was watching All of Us Are Dead, and I thought that one was actually pretty good. That one I actually finished in like maybe like 2 3 days. Which is kind of long. Usually I either do like 2 days or I just sit and just watch the whole thing. Uh, I don't know. I watched. It was crazy because I watched The Victims Game on Netflix. It's like a Chinese like drama about like serial killers and whatever like that. And I literally watched that in 1 day, and each episode is like an hour long. So as you can tell, I love watching things. Yeah, so that sticker, that keep dreaming sticker, that I told you about, uh, you can see me do the packaging. I actually the first one with the rainbow, I actually I was like, oh, it looks okay, and then like the longer I looked at it, the more I didn't like it, because it was just like I don't know. I felt like the background of it was just overpowering the sticker itself. So it was like rainbow, rainbow, like everywhere. So I was like, oh, I don't want to do that. And so I changed it and I went for like a gray where you can see it, but still the focus is on the sticker itself. So I contrasted it with the gray and then the rainbow, which brings it out. I don't know. That was like my take on it. So I just went with that one because I thought that one was nicer. And then a montage of all the clouds. If you ever look at my other videos, my other artist diaries, um, I am obsessed with clouds. I draw them. I love to look at them. I take pictures of them. I record all the pictures. So you'll see like just a bunch of just different clouds that I've seen. Um, I don't know. I live in Maui, so I'm very thankful to have the nice sky and weather most of the year. Oh, and then I also went to my first ever car meet. I'm not a big car person. Like I don't like I understand like very little of it, but not to the point where like you can have a full blown conversation about I don't know gaskets and horsepower or whatever. I just know like how it runs and all the different cars. For me, I'm like a car enthusiast in the way of aesthetics, so the outside of the car. Hi, chef. How are you? Like, I love my, Lamborghinis, Porsches. Like, if it looks cool, like even like the old school stuff, like looks cool. Like I'm like super into that. The inside part, don't really know much about that, but my other car friends are trying to not get give me knowledge in that area. But I saw really cool cars. It was called Cars and Coffee. Um, so it was like next to a coffee shop by Home Depot. Um, but yeah, it was pretty cool. I think it's usually like the same people. Trying to like make friends, but it's like super hard. Anyways, and then after that, my sister wanted to go to Moffle. It's called Maui Friends of the Library, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Thank you for watching.